Here we go. Here he is. He saves a grand. He wants to be the one who doesn't have to sing a level in his streets, in his retreat. All he needs just a taste of a bit of body of nothing. Embrace the solitude and ordinary fucked up state of grace. Far away from the days he bear the cross she used to wear. It's always all for the wear. A little bit of for my pin-up boy they dress in green wear. Well, ladies and consent, and I drift up on your toe. And he won't justify the pity from them when he knows who's in love for American. The sun's cloud is breathing in. He's in love with that isolation from emotion. Dance, Barcelona. Dance. There you go. Pretend you're at a football game. Here he is, a waiting second. For to think anyone can escape the guilt and anguish. A subtlety that can't be learned, a subtlety that can't be taught. He's caught in a lure of second thoughts. He loves to air. As he settles down with a wind, bound in secrecy, his voice for lonely